Ladies and gentlemen, this is Max over here. Today in this event, I'm going to unbox a brand new power bank from MI. And the model name of this power bank is 2i 20000 mAh. I would say everything about this power bank. Please keep watching this video up to the end with my channel Tech HD. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I ordered this power bank on Flipkart. You can see the Flipkart box packaging. The packaging is very nice. I don't have any issue on the Flipkart box packaging. Let's open the box and see what is inside the box. This is nothing but the invoice copy of Flipkart. This is the main box from MI and the power bank is kept in this box. And here it is written as lithium polymer battery, advanced 9-layer protection, intelligent power output. Here it is written something like MI power bank 2i 20000 mAh 18 watt fast charging. There is another white colored box has been kept in the main box and our power bank has been kept in the white colored box. Let's open the white box and check the power bank out. This is the USB cable by which we can charge our devices by the power bank. Cable quality extremely good. There is no issues on the cable quality. This is our main device, the power bank. There are two USB ports and one USB Type-C ports. The USB ports are given to charge the devices by the power bank and the USB Type-C port is given to charge the power bank itself. This is not a power button or something like that. This button is for to check how much charge is remaining in this power bank. There are 4 light dots to indicate remaining charge of this power bank and every light dot indicates 25% charge remaining. If 2 dots are beeping, then it indicates 50% charge remaining.
Yeah, yeah.